Alright, let me introduce our G30 gateway. First, our G30 gateway is powered by a 12-volt DC supply. Here we have provided it with a power module to supply 12-volt DC. Now, looking at our G30 gateway, at the top of the gateway, you can see the WAN port and the LAN port. There is also a 4G antenna port, which is where we insert the 4G card. If we choose the 4G mode, we must insert both the 4G card and the 4G antenna, as you can see here. The device's SN number. On the front of the device we can see there are 4 indicator lights, each representing the device's status indicators. The indicator for the 4G module, the network connection status indicator, and the device's downstream indicator. On the bottom of the device we can see here is our power supply port, and this is our Wi-Fi antenna. Our G30 is equipped with 2 COM ports, namely COM1 and COM2. Here we connect the 485 of the V10 module to the COM port. When connecting, please pay attention to the position of the 485 A and B lines. Then we find a network cable. Plug it into the LAN port of the G30 gateway and connect the other end to our computer. After connecting, open our web browser. Enter our web server address, 192.168.120.200. Confirm. If we find that after entering the web server page address it doesn't open, we need to open our computer. Go to Settings. Find Ethernet. We need to manually assign the IPv4 address, turn off DHCP, and switch to manual mode. Change the IP address to 192.168.120. The last 2 digits after the dot can be customized. Change the subnet mask to 255.255.255.0. Set the gateway to 192.168.120.1. Set the preferred DNS to 8.8.8.8. Then click Save. Enter our administrator password 123456. Now we can access the web server page. On the web server page, click Communication Settings. Here we can add channels and devices ourselves. You can also configure the MQTT protocol, modify the server address. Please check the device number of the gateway for your reference. At the same time, we can change the device's Wi-Fi or 4G mode. Choose either Wi-Fi mode or 4G mode according to your needs. If you select Wi-Fi mode, you need to enter the Wi-Fi account and password for the current environment here. If we choose 4G mode, we need to insert a 4G SIM card into the device, connect the 4G antenna, and then click to select the current connection. After configuration, you need to click to confirm. Once clicked, the device will log in again. The device will restart.